here at Gaskets Limited, we supply a selection of Formula One teams and rally and motorsport teams also. We supply them on a monthly basis with an array of parts, always new development parts, whether normally for this season or for potentially the next season as well, for everything that's coming along. We have to make to their very high exacting standards. Everything on the drawing has to be acknowledged and accounted for. So with working with Formula One teams, who are at the cutting edge, the pinnacle of their sport and the pinnacle of automotive, we believe that at the same time, to be able to provide these, we also have cutting edge technology here at Stevens Gaskets to provide them with the services and the products they require to utilise within their builds of their vehicles going around the racetrack.